Skylab was the first United States space station, launched by NASA, occupied for about 24 weeks between May 1973 and February 1974. It was operated by three separate three-astronaut crews: Skylab 2, Skylab 3 and Skylab 4. Major operations included an orbital workshop, a solar observatory, Earth observation, and hundreds of experiments. Unable to be reboosted by the Space Shuttle, which was not ready until 1981, Skylab's orbit decayed, and it disintegrated in the atmosphere on July 11, 1979, scattering debris across the Indian Ocean and Western Australia. As of 2021, Skylab was the only space station operated exclusively by the United States. A permanent station was planned starting in 1988, but funding for this was cancelled and replaced with United States participation in an international space station in 1993. Skylab had a mass of 199,750 pounds with a 31,000 pounds Apollo command and service module attached, and included a workshop, a solar observatory, and several hundred life science and physical science experiments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.